Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to use wildcards for conditional operations in Excel. So here we have this payroll data and we want to find out how many staff are part-time in this payroll. If you look closely at the column that contains the employment type, which is column G, when you zoom in, you observe that there are two spellings of part-time, one with a dash and one without a dash. Now we need to use a formula that will capture these inconsistent spellings. At a basic level, we are going to use COUNTIF. COUNTIF counts based on a criteria or a keyword. So what it does is that it goes into a column or a range of cells and it returns the number of times a keyword appears. So in this example, if you are counting those who are part-time, our range, which is the first requirement, starts from G5. I'll hold and press Ctrl Shift down to go to the bottom of the range. So I've selected the whole range that contains employment type. If you want to go back up without using the mouse or losing your selection, you can press Ctrl Backspace. So G5, G34 is my range. I'll bring comma and put in my criteria or my keyword. When you are putting in the keyword or criteria directly in the formula, you can precede that with a double quote. Now I'll bring my double quote and enter part-time, and I'll close my double quote. When I press enter, I only capture 2 instances. Now this is not correct, so we need to get a way around to capture the keywords part-time without a dash. Now to do this, we are going to use a wildcard. A wildcard in Excel are special characters we use to do operations. There are 2 basic types. The first one is the question mark. When you use the question mark, it represents 1 character. So in any operation, when I say this, it means 3 characters. When I use an asterisk represents any number of characters. So we are going to update the criteria part of our formula. And this time what we are going to do is that we are going to type part and then put in an asterisk, and then we'll complete it with time. What this means is it's going to capture all instances where there is part and time, and there's some character in between part and time. In this case, space is a character. So I'm going to copy this part and then come in here and then paste it in my criteria, just in between the double quotes. So I'm going to highlight this part and then Ctrl V. So in this case, I have 9. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.